Hello, my name is Valentino Hernandez Matakena. My name number is 211-419-0012. I am from University IAE. My major is accounting. My subject is English for academic specific purpose. My lecturer is Dr. Pudiantoro Emma. Today my topic is financial statement. A. Word tour of the financial statement. This chapter will introduce you to the financial statement. The idea at this stage is to give you an overview and keep it too simple. By the end of this chapter, you will know what you are looking at when confronted with a balance sheet, an income statement, or a cash out statement. You will understand the basic information that this statement provides. You will be equipped with some of the key questions that typically arise when reading this statement. Our approach will be considered the fictional case of Albert, who has set up a small business which comprised in a single employee making furniture. You will be presented with the financial statement for Albert's business, and we will go through the information that this provides. We will adopt a similar approach in the next chapter, using fictional case of the consultant called Sarah. In her case, we will adopt a much deeper and more questioning approach. For example, exploring the reason why the financial statements are designed as they are, and the ways in which each of the financial statements links with the one another. In Albert's case, however, we will keep it simple. This will be helpful foundation. At a later stage in the book, when the content becomes broader and deeper, you might like to refer back to Albert if you can read the understand financial statement for his business, and if you know the right question to ask, then that is a great starting point. Everything else in the book is really just building on this foundation. B. Case IO statement. The case IO statement is perhaps the simple of the financial statement to understand because it's just a summary of amount paid received in a case during a period of time, rather like a bank statement. The basic structure of the case IO statement is separate to categorization of operation, investing, and financing activity. The bottom line of the case IO 1O statement is the organization closing cash balance, just as a bank statement and with the closing account in balance. In Albert's case, the business started this year and so opening cash balance is zero. The overall change in the cash balance during the year is $58,000, made up to $10,000 generated by operating activity, $30K invest in equipment, and $35K raised in a financial to start the business. Operating cash or result from the trading activity, for example, cash received from a customer and or a cash paid to suppliers or employer. A positive overall operating cash IO, such as that achieved by Albert, is a good sign because it means the cash received from a customer exceeds the cash paid out the operate the business. Investing cash IO arises when a long-term asset are booked or sold. The purchase of the land, building, or equipment is an investing cash IO. A negative investing cash IO, therefore, implies a growth in the operation capacity of business. This is the case for the Albert. He has spent cash to acquire the new equipment. A positive investing cash flow, in a contrast, would mean the investment of the asset corresponding a certain cash in the business, unlike the operating cash IO, where a positive number can be seen as a good news. The interpretation of investing cash IO is ambiguous. A negative number is a good news of the corresponding investment in a wise one, while the positive number could be a good news if, for example, assets are disposed of at the attractive price. Financing cash I-10 arises when the organization transacts with the purpose of long-term finance. For example, when a cash received from the issue of the new share or when cash is paid out the redeem a bank loan. As with the investing cash IO, the sign of the IO cannot be interpreted unambiguous. A positive financing cash IO simply means that a new finance has been raised, while the negative number means a repayment of finance. It, for example, a bank loan is taken out in order fund of the funder, then a positive financing cash IO can be viewed in the positive light. C. Income statement. An income statement has a very simple purpose, namely to record whether the organization has made a profit or loss. Similar to cash IO, income statement is summary for the period of time, such as here Albert is income statement for the first year of the business as well as a table like this. Our first conclusion from the reading Albert's income statement comes from the looking the bottom line. Albert has made a profit $7 during the current financial year. The concept of making profit is very straightforward. It means that the income generated by the organization exceeds the expenses incurred by the organization equally. Of course, if expenses are greater than income, the organization make a loss in your general income less expense equal profit or loss. We do not know whether the proposed Albert's business this year is likely to be a typical of his future performance, or instead whether it's likely to prove usually good or unusually bad. So while we can consult the Albert business is profitable in the current year, we cannot say whether this is representative. We also don't know, of course, where Albert is a more or less profitable than his competitors. For this, we will need to see their income statement in general. Therefore, an income statement for a single period is limited use and more comprehensive information be sought out by considering other two periods of time well as the financial statement of competitors. There is a more income statement. Of course, the bottom, the other line in the statement are revenue expense. So the first line is a revenue, the expense is case are a cost of the goods, the result salary, rent, depreciation, other operating expense, interest, and tax. The subtotal of grossing operating profit and profit before tax deduction for the spread of revenue expense subtotal of them provide the balance sheet. The basic structure of the balance sheet is the complex asset, liability, and equity. Assets are items of value to the business. Liability are obligation of the business make a payments to third party. The asset in the business liability is called equity. This is owner stake in the business is something referred to as shareholder. Once then this can be summarized as follows: equity, the asset liability, or more precisely, equity net asset. As the balance sheet record of the value of the asset liability in a business, it is a statement of a financial position. It can be viewed as a summary of the world what is tied up and the business in contrast with the income statement which record the amount of profit earned during a period of time. The balance sheet exists at a point in time and record the financial position at the point. The balance sheet is analogous amount held in your bank account at any point in time, while the income statement is analogous to the interest that is earned on your account during a period. This is the table, as you can see from this. Final comment of liquidity and the balance sheet in general is there exists a different convention for the presentation of balance sheet information. While assets become more liquid as you read down the balance sheet in table 1.4, opposite can be held, and you will find that some components report their balance sheet item in a reverse order. Similarly, while the table 1.4 report in vertical format with the asset liability which are in the turn above equity, and the horizontal format is also common, for example with asset one side and with liability equity on the other. Difference subtotal also common in practice. You should be aware of variation in the practice, but you need to be concerned about it. The information is the same. The interpretation, the information is the same. Also, it is simple for the information can be presented in different ways. AE, worked example retail company. It will help you at this stage. You have to go reading a set of financial statement, take a look income statement, cash IO statement, and a balance sheet represented in the table 1.5. See what you think before reading any further. You should have your own conclusion about what we can be learned about this company. For each financial, you should also come up this question, which are prompted by the financial statement, but which the statement alone cannot answer. When you read on text below, you will see some suggestions on about conclusion can be reached on a question. This data might be asked. This list is not definitive, and you will come with the value in just below this below. You can see this table. From the table, we got a business has grown a margin quite, however, with a profit after tax only 1.8% of revenue, depreciation rising to 2.5% in the third year. There is fif- uh, fif- 15% gross margin, meaning of the cost of the goods sold are high on each order sale is made as small in the change of gross margin will have a large impact on the bottom line. Though operation expense are increasing somewhat over time, in particular, this reduces the beneficial impact of growth of bottom line profit. The business is consistently generating positive operating cash IO. The growth of the business funded the reinvestment of the operating cash IO, and there has no need to seek additional bank loans or raise further funds from the shareholders. Indeed, it has actually been possible to pay a dividend to shareholders. This is a financial cash IO, while also increasing amount of total cash held by company. So this is my presentation about financial statement. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Sorry I was saying make the wrong words or anything, and thank you for watching.